What's going on? Inside Out and Back Again. Hi, readers. Sentence stems for those who like them at the top. Ha is the kind of person who is. We see Ha take action when she, how are you? Take 3 breaths, in with good, out with bad, where are you in the compass? Ignite, do you have siblings, cousins, or friends who are like brothers or sisters? Chunk, watch for the role of siblings in the text. Excerpts from Inside Out and Back Again by Tanha Lai. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. Bruce Lee. Today, we all gain 1 year in age, no matter the date we were born. That our New Year's doubles as everyone's birthday. Now I am 10, learning to embroider circular stitches, to calculate fractions into percentages, to nurse my papaya tree to bear many fruits. But last night I pouted when Mother insisted one of my brothers must rise first this morning to bless our house, because only male feet can bring luck. An old, angry knot expanded in my throat. I decided to wake before dawn and tap my big toe to the tile floor first. Brother Vu screams, "Hi-ya!" and makes me jump every time he breaks wood or bricks in imitation of Bruce Lee. Brother Koi calls me Mother's tail because I'm always 3 steps from her. I can't make my brothers go live elsewhere, but I can hide their sandals. We each have but 1 pair, much needed during this dry season. My parents had no idea what 3 older brothers can do to the simple name Ha. Mother tells me they tease you because they adore you. She's wrong, but I still love being near her, even more than I love my papaya tree. I will offer her its first fruit every day. Chew on it. Watch me as I answer what's going on. What is the main problem? And Inside Out and Back Again, the main problem is the Vietnam War. For this next question, let's work through it together. What other problems are there? For instance, the text says, only male feet can bring good luck. Could this unfair treatment hurt Ha's feelings? And Inside Out and Back Again, another problem is, and this is during class, think to self if you're doing this asynchronously. 3, for this next question, let's work through it together. How do the siblings, sisters, and brothers act? Word bank: aware, observant, loving, generous, negative traits, selfish, forceful, and bossy. Ha, pouted, feels the old angry knot, notices things, so she's observant. Her brothers: makes me, calls me. And Inside Out and Back Again, the siblings act. And 4, what kind of person is the main character or persona? You can look back at the text or pick a word from the chart or word bank. Ha is the kind of person who is. Ha does not accept that life is bad, and that's the way it is. How does Ha take action? Remember to look back at the text for a line, for evidence. What does she do? I'll give you some think time. We see Ha take action when she. Okay. Thank you, writers. Dr. Stocker. P.S. If you have questions, please email me at jacquelinestocker@spps.org. 4, all questions answered well. 3, all questions answered well enough. 2, all questions answered not always researched well. 1, all questions answered, but the answers do not work with the text. 0, no attempt. Please attempt. You can learn anything. Thank you.